Good morning viewers, this is JNR. Welcome to the JNR Maths YouTube channel. Now we discuss angle between two straight lines theorem. Now I write the statement. Theorem. If theta is an angle between, if theta is an angle between two non-vertical lines, non-vertical lines having slopes m1 and m2, then tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is a statement. If theta is an angle between two non-vertical lines having slopes, non-vertical line slopes are m1 and m2. First line slope m1, second line slope m2. Then we prove that tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. First of all, draw the figure. This is x-axis. Next, this is y-axis. This is x-axis. This one is y-axis. Now we draw two non-vertical lines. This is one line. This is one line. Next we draw again second line. So one is second one. X-axis, y-axis. These two are non-vertical lines. Non-vertical lines having slopes. First of all, observe this one. This line having this one slope. Now we consider theta 1. Next, this line cuts the x-axis. This angle is theta 2. These two lines intersect. This angle is theta. Mark that one first. This one, this line cuts the x-axis theta 1 angle. This line cuts the x-axis theta 2 angle. These two lines intersect at theta. Okay, first proof. Once observe that lines, any line having slope means that line having inclination. Let theta 1 comma theta 2, let theta 1 comma theta 2 be the inclination of the lines, having slopes m1 m1 m2 respectively. Theta 1 theta 2 be the inclination of the lines, theta 1 theta 2 be the inclination of the lines having slopes m1 m2, the two line slopes m1 m2 respectively. Next, generally slope m equal to, what is the formula? Slope m equal to tan theta, slope m equal to tan theta. Now we write m1 equal to, now we write slope m1 equal to tan theta 1, m2 equal to tan theta 2, m1 equal to tan theta 1, m2 equal to tan theta 2. Next, once observe the figure, from the figure once observe this two lines intersect at angle theta. Now we form on a triangle. This triangle, these angles are interior angles, this one is exterior angle. Sum of the interior angles equal to exterior angle. From the figure, sum of the interior angles equal to exterior angle. Theta plus theta 2 equal to theta 1. Sum of the interior angles equal to exterior angle. That implies theta equal to theta 1. Now we take theta 2, LHS to RHS minus theta 2. Now observe this one, theta equal to theta 1 minus theta 2. Now we prove that tan theta, we take tan on both sides. That implies tan theta equal to tan of theta 1 minus theta 2. We take tan on both sides. That implies tan theta equal to now by using formula tan of a minus b. What is the formula of tan of a minus b? Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Tan of a minus b, tan a tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2 by 1 minus tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b, tan theta 1 tan theta 2, tan theta 2. Now observe this one, tan theta 1 equal to slope m1. That implies tan theta equal to tan theta 1. Tan theta 1 is m1 minus tan theta 2. Tan theta 2 is m2 by 1 plus tan theta 1 m1 tan theta 2 m2. That implies tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Now observe the angle theta. This theta is acute angle. Theta is acute angle. Acute angle means acute angle range is 0 to 90. 0 to 90. 0 to 90 means that you have first quadrant. First quadrant means all are positive. Positive means now we take modulus. If theta since theta is acute angle, theta is acute angle. Theta is acute angle. Then tan theta equal to now we take modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. If since theta is acute angle, then tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is the theorem. Sometimes asked in examination, tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 or theta equal to tan inverse of. Now we write this one. That implies theta equal to tan inverse of modulus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 also. Okay, all of you understand this theorem? If theta is okay, yes, this is the theorem, angle between two non-vertical lines. Okay, any doubts, write in comment box. I will clarify the doubts also. Okay viewers, please like and share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.